I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude, but I see.
What you got going on in here, man?
I got 4 Sundown U15.
The trunk open? You got the trunk open?
Yeah, trunk's open. I don't have any fans on my amps at the moment.
Okay.
I got 2 5Ks, HKO, Hooligan 5Ks.
Okay, yes, sir.
And the 43.5 skip bank lithium battery for all of it.
Yes, sir.
Keeping a watch on my volts. I got a Megman 240 amp alternator on it. So it's holding up, but it could be better.
Oh yeah, it was cutting up. It was when I walked by. I said, "Man, cutting up over there." Ooh, that thing. That was Sundown used?
Yeah, those are the UV1s.
Oh man. Well, SDK enclosures, right?
Yeah, SDK.
Y'all built it yourself?
He did.
He built them and everything?
Yeah, he built it. I put the fur in. Me and my old lady, we painted it and done the touch-ups, but he built it for the most part.
Man, that thing sound good, man. Where can I find y'all at? Find you at, man?
I'm on TikTok, TJ Childers. Snapchat, TJ Childers.
I love the same.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm friends with you on there, I think so. I'm gonna tag you in the video, man. I appreciate it, brother. Yes, sir.
You gotta push hard on the door.
Push hard on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. That thing all right. Let me get one of some of these stickers right quick. I got one in my pocket. There you go, bro. TJ. Yes, sir.
I appreciate it.
Appreciate it, man. I gotta go on the other side and get that truck out there. I need a battery, though. Good, man.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.